Hi, today I'll show you how to replace airbag on semi-truck. They are all very similar. This one is on Freightliner Coronado. Here's the airbag. The air supply is right here. There's one nut over here. It's very simple. And one nut at the bottom. So you use socket 19 mil for the nut on the top and at the bottom too. They both same size. The size for this fitting is 19 mil wrench. We'll disconnect the air fitting. We'll tie it so we won't lose any air. It's a little trick, so you don't need any, if you don't have any jack stands or anything like that, it would be very easy to do it this way. We disconnect the fitting first. The airline, disconnect. Now you bend it. There you see it's keeping air, and as you see, truck is going back up. That would give us a space to play with the airbag. When we unscrew nuts, we can squeeze it easily and remove it. And the same way we're gonna put the new one back in. But before we do those nuts, we're gonna remove the fitting. I just want to show you guys, if you want to keep the fitting, it's better to do it this way. Start it this way. But if you put a new fitting, you can remove the whole bag and just put the new bag and new fitting. That's how we tie the airline, so it's not going to lose air. When you buy an airbag, this is the number you're looking for. This is going to be your part number. Or you can get it from the dealer by VIN number, but if you cannot find anything like that. You put the nut at the bottom first. Okay, so to expand it, we're gonna put air in the bag. Just like that. That's it. It's all done. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.